Did you know that the machine at the top of today's list can lift up to 3,000 tons, equivalent to energy projects to some of the world's largest industrial construction sites? The Liebherr cranes featured in this ranking are performing tasks that most conventional cranes could never handle. And as we move closer to the number one spot, their size and power become increasingly difficult to comprehend. The Liebherr LTR 1220 proves that a machine does not have to be the biggest to become a star on the job site. With a maximum lifting capacity of 220 tons, this telescopic crawler crane is built for locations where conventional cranes struggle. Its crawler undercarriage allows it to travel across soft ground and unfinished terrain while maintaining stability. The 60-meter telescopic boom makes it suitable for steel erection, bridge construction, and medium-sized wind turbine installation. Its most impressive feature is the ability to travel while carrying loads, creating spectacular scenes as massive steel structures move smoothly across the site. It may not be the largest crane in the lineup, but its versatility makes it one of Liebherr's most respected machines. Taking fourth place is the Liebherr LG 1750, a crane built for the global expansion of wind energy. With a lifting capacity of around 750 tons, it combines the mobility of a wheeled carrier with the power of a giant lattice boom crane. This unique design allows it to move efficiently between job sites while handling increasingly larger wind turbine components. At wind farms, the LG 1750 often lifts blades and tower sections to heights comparable to skyscrapers. Watching its enormous boom stretch into the sky while carrying hundreds of tons is a truly impressive sight. It has become one of the key machines behind the construction of large-scale renewable energy projects around the world. By Liebherr. With a maximum lifting capacity of 1,000 tons and a working height of approximately 220 meters, it was designed for large industrial projects where precision is critical. From power plants and refineries to offshore wind installations, the LR 11000 handles some of the largest lifting operations in the world. Despite its massive size, its modular boom system
in length that we transported via the Rhine-Herne Canal here to the construction site.
It resembles a towering steel
we created a
dominating the entire work site. Watching it lift industrial modules
tandem lift and then place them on the handling area. Each segment weighs used the second 1,000-tonner to load the new segments onto the motorway.
We had further 250 tonners in the outer areas to be able to cover all.
The motorway had been.
Taking second place is the Liebherr LTM 11200 to 9.1, the largest and most famous all-terrain crane ever produced by Liebherr. With a lifting capacity of 1,200 tons and a 100-meter telescopic boom, it remains one of the most powerful telescopic cranes in the world. Its massive 9-axle carrier provides mobility that crawler cranes cannot easily match. In the wind energy industry, it has become an icon thanks to its ability to install extremely tall turbines. When fully configured with boom extensions, it can reach working heights approaching 188 meters. From the ground, the boom appears to disappear into the sky. The combination of lifting power, mobility, and engineering sophistication makes this crane one of the most impressive machines ever built. Claiming the number one spot is the Liebherr LR 13000, officially recognized as the world's most powerful conventional crawler crane. With an incredible lifting capacity of 3,000 tons, It stands far above most cranes ever built. Designed for massive industrial projects, such as nuclear power plants, petrochemical facilities, and offshore construction, the LR13000 represents the pinnacle of modern lifting technology. Fully assembled with its giant lattice boom and thousands of tons of counterweight, it resembles a moving steel structure rather than a machine. Watching it slowly raise loads weighing more than 1,000 tons.
Now
is an
move the crawler
unforgettable
side
display of
frame by
engineering
lifting
power.
the A-frame.
The truly remarkable part is not just the
Now you can
3,000-ton
raise
rating,
the entire
but the
boom
fact that it
system
was built
according
for
to the
jobs that
operators.
most lifting
It is no
equipment
problem
simply
at all
cannot
to pull a
perform.
two-axle
It is not
legendary
only the
LTM
flagship of
1030
Liebherr,
more.
but
More than
also
50
one of the
tons with
greatest
this configuration
symbols
is
of
no
heavy
problem at all.
lifting engineering worldwide.
The pumps are connected in such a manner that you can also operate all drives.